Hi guys, welcome to our haunted harvest. My name is Tiana Santiago Crawford. I am the program director for West Brighton Cornerstone, and this amazing event was put together by a team of a variety of people at different sites. And we love putting together community events to bring people together and to show them that communities could come together and enjoy a good time and celebrate together. And I'm gonna pass it over to my colleague.
Hi everyone, my name is Piesia Heredia. I am the program director for Port Richmond PS20 UAU Compass. And just like Tiana said, we wanted to do this event to bridge the gap between different communities, also different types of UAU programs. So my program runs out of a DOE building. Tiana's program runs out of a community center. So we wanted to just bridge together the different types of communities that we have, and we just wanted to make this night as special as possible for all the families.